Greg here. We're just going to take a look at using LISE module to manage sponsors. So basically creating a standalone module using LISE for setting up and designating sponsors and managing the groups and the members of the entries for sponsors for those sites that do need to give sponsor recognition in different formats throughout. So in this case, we're dealing with one of our recent projects. Let's get rid of a few things here that we don't need. Okay, so all right, so in this case, we have several different categories that have been set up. This one was taken a little overboard, but it gives you kind of an idea of where you can go. So the different categories means that you would be able to deploy a different group on any set page or template that you want within a site. So within the list of sponsors, in this case we are showing kind of everything, and we've got it set so it is showing us which categories. So we can organize, filter, or reorder based on the categories. A link if there is one, an image if there is one, like if we click on it we'll actually see what the image is in the preview, and then how it's named from within here. If we want to edit, we can click on it and it gives us the basics. Really we're just entering in the initial info. It will auto create the alias as well as the URL. The URL is really only if people were to click on it and it would open a detailed page for that particular sponsor. We're not really using that in this case, so it's not a big deal. The image, so we can upload a replacement for it. And that pretty much does it for this. And we also can set a target page that it's linking to if somebody was to click on the image. Or sorry, that's the categories, sorry. A link, so an external link to an external website can be entered there as well. And then it's just save and create. You can also drag and drop to set the order. So if you wanted a specific order within a certain categories, it's just a matter of dragging, dropping, and then scrolling to the bottom and saying save order. That only works if no other order is defined when it's being called to the page. In most cases we don't activate that within the templates, so that just gives the user control to set the order as they want. Occasionally we do set it so it is random, so it's forcing equal exposure for those entries. So that's really all it is for this module. So there you have it.